Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, sorry if you hear any background noises because it's 8:42, almost 9, so like everybody's awake, so yeah. But in today's video, it's not really gonna be an MSP video. I want to ask you guys some questions while doing playing MSP. So it is an MSP video, but it's not really like doing anything something like going to cafe something. So if you see this girl texting me, she's texting me because I don't know, she asked me for VIP, and I said ask your parents if you can do chores or something. That's I know, cause even though I have my own money, I just don't want to use it. But she's like, my parents hate me. I'm like, no, your parents do not hate you. She's like, yes, they tell me. I'm like, your parents don't hate you. I mean, they might, but if you actually really hate your child, put them up for adoption. Okay, so I want to ask you guys a couple questions. If you guys think I should just stick with an MSP channel, or if you guys think I should if I should not make this an MSP channel, make it nah. Okay, do you guys think I should just stay with the sorry, I'm keep messing up. If I should stay with the just MSP, or if you guys want me to start doing some vlogs. I don't really want to, but if it's up to you guys. And if you guys want me to start start a Roblox channel. People text me all the time like, hi, and I just text them back. So just comment down below what you guys think I should do. I posted 2 videos, yes. Wait, I think yesterday? I don't even know, but I just post randomly, and I posted, I would have posted, so easy, the most easiest math that I'm let me see, I would have, oh my god, I suck at this, okay guys, give me autos, because look at, give me free autos every 2 minutes, text me if you want one. Okay, like I was trying to say, I don't even know what I was trying to say. There's 50 boys. I was just about to press him and see what their status was. That's what I always do with people. But if it takes forever, I can't. Because I don't know. Oh, I feel bad for her. Guys, I hope you know I will never date anybody in this game, so don't ask me out. I mean, we could be friends and all, but I don't think I'm gonna be a dater. Hey, I just say hi, like normal. I don't say hey, and usually when someone does that, I do. Did she text me? Did she text me? Oh yeah, she did. Okay, she's pale as heck. So she needs some help. My man. Okay, I'm really super awkward. I can make my videos. Freaky girls, hit me up. No. I need to see her if she's pale or not. Oh. not gonna answer. Because then I'm taking a gift, and then someday I'm just gonna lose my things, and I'm just gonna give me a Howie. Yeah. How are you? My type so yeah. I say that in all my videos. And it's very laggy. How about you? I always say that. Let the storm rage on. Snow. So I was watching a remix of that and it was funny, so that's why it's kind of stuck in my head. Let's go to... Oh, like I was talking about what the main video was about. I totally forgot. Yeah, so I don't know if I should start a new channel, if I should just stick with this. I really want to record for, Roblox, but I don't know if I'll be able to do that. It takes a lot of work. I might just make this channel, I'm kind of tired. This channel my, like, gaming channel, I guess you could say. Yeah, like, I'm gonna have, like, Roblox, MSP, maybe, like, you guys can comment down below some new games you guys want me to play, like, anything. He looks like a noob in a starter that I hate when they have this shirt off, like, you're not cool, you don't have six packs, you don't have a six-pack, put it back on. Nobody gonna like you if you like that. I don't like people when they like that. I'm like, anyways. She's pretty. Okay. I don't like this hair. It's so, Nah, I hate it. It looks ugly on me. But it might not look ugly. Oh my god, that scared the heck out of me. Oh my god, nobody's, like, alive in these crafts. I'm gonna go Texas craft because that's where my friend is. I'm Goof. Meg. I miss my friend Bella. It's 11 for her. Okay, I think I'm going to end the video here because I have nothing else to tell you guys except if I should make another channel or just make this my gaming channel. And if you want me to start a vlog channel, comment down below because I will start a vlog channel if you guys really want me to. Probably nobody's watching this, like, I don't even know why I made a video like this and nobody's probably watching it. But you know, I don't even care. Why are you recording? Did you know I'm recording? I just joined. What's your age? I ain't telling you. Bye.